Around the world, in countless demanding applications, users are discovering the benefits of peristaltic pumping. So what is peristalsis? It's an elegantly simple process designed for reliability by Mother Nature herself. In our own bodies, we use peristalsis to move food and drink through our throats and intestines. And exactly the same process is used in Verdiflex industrial hose pumps. An alternating wave of constriction and relaxation is used to force a slug of product along a smooth-walled flexible hose. The hose sits within the pump casing and is completely squeezed shut by the rotor or rotor shoes. This action moves the product along the hose at a constant rate of displacement without slip, making the pump suitable for accurate dosing applications and pressure ratings up to 16 bar or 230 pounds per square inch. After the shoe has passed, the hose returns to its original shape. This process is called restitution, and it produces an almost complete vacuum that draws the product into the hose. This approach makes a peristaltic pump ideally suited to pumping highly viscous products, liquids with high concentrations of solids, abrasive or highly corrosive and shear-sensitive products. The pump will self-prime and can even be run dry without damage. Applications often include deep lifts from vats or bun storage. In the event of a blockage in the pump, the direction of pumping can simply be reversed and the blockage cleared. One reason why we describe our pump as being a reliable problem-solving pump. The pump casing is partially filled with Verdilube lubricant, specially formulated to cool the pump and ensure long hose life. A major advantage of this design is that the Verdiflex pump is fail-safe. Should product leak from the hose, it is still safely contained within the pump casing. Another advantage of the peristaltic principle are the low shear forces. This prevents damage to the product, and the gentle action even allows the pumping of live salmon parr in Norwegian fish farms. The volume of product pumped is determined by factors such as the bore size of the hose, the speed at which the pump is run, and the product's viscosity. The Verdiflex range includes 10 sizes of pump, each one defined by the internal diameter of its hose. This ranges from 10 mm to 125 mm. Verda's largest peristaltic pump is the VF125 with a hose bore of 125 mm. When pumping water, this unit will deliver up to 80 cubic meters per hour or 350 US gallons per minute when running at a speed of 40 RPM. Having looked at the operation of the Verdiflex pump, you'll now understand the importance of the hose itself. Its design and construction has critical implications for the effective operation, life expectancy, and maintenance of the pump. Verdiflex hoses are made up of 3 key elements: the liner, the fiber reinforcement layers, and the outer cover. Together, these key elements produce a hose with unique features that make a Verdiflex pump the envy of the competition. At the heart of the hose is the liner, specifically selected to suit the product being pumped. The external color-coded brand tape is different for each liner material, making identification easy. White for NR or natural rubber, ideal for abrasive slurries and inorganic products. Yellow indicates NBR or nitrile rubber for oily and fatty products and organic materials. Red indicates EPDM, ideal for corrosive materials. Green indicates Hypalon for highly corrosive materials. And yellow and white brand tape identifies FDA-approved food-grade hose. In fact, there are more than 60 different combinations of hose bore and hose materials available from Verda to ensure that you're able to select the best available hose for your process or application. After the liner comes the layers of fiber reinforcement. A Verdiflex hose will always have at least 2 layers of fiber reinforcement. Hose diameters of 40 millimeters and above have at least 4 layers of fiber reinforcement. This reinforcement not only extends the fatigue life of the hose, but also allows it to self-prime. Lastly comes the outer cover, designed to withstand the abrasive wear of the pump rotor or rotor shoes. Competitors' manufacturing techniques often involve making an oversized hose which is machined down to size to obtain the necessary tight tolerances. Verda's advanced production technique allows VerdaFlex hoses to be manufactured within tolerance, eliminating costly machining and resulting in a hose with extended operational life. An additional bonus is that the VerdaFlex process allows the hose cover to incorporate the color-coded brand tape, immediately identifying the hose liner material and pump manufacturer, giving our customers the confidence that they're being supplied with original quality spares. So what about maintenance issues? This is another area where the VerdaFlex Peristaltic pump scores above the competitors. With no troublesome bearings or moving parts in contact with the product, reliable operational life is both extensive and predictable, reducing downtime to a minimum and allowing the adoption of reliable preventative maintenance schedules. A typical hose life of 2,000 hours can be achieved, depending upon specific process and duty requirements. There are no bearing alignment issues and no requirement to transfer the pump to workshops for maintenance. In the VerdaFlex pump, the only sacrificial parts are the hose and the lubricant, and both are easily replaced on site with no requirement for any special tools. Removal and refitting of the hose is quick and simple, again requiring no special tools. And the same applies to the replacement of motor and gearbox. Adapter rings allow the VerdaFlex pump to be coupled to a wide variety of motors and gearboxes, giving users the advantage of using their preferred combinations and locally sourced replacements. The VerdaFlex pump is used in countless highly demanding applications. For example, it can be used as an accurate and repeatable dosing pump. In smaller pump sizes, our Genie portable dosing unit enables total dosing control. Verda provides a complete consultancy service, designing solutions to suit the most demanding applications. This skid-mounted system is typical of the larger dosing systems designed and built by Verda to meet individual customer requirements. With all these advantages, it's no surprise that Verda Peristaltic pumps can be found in a wide range of applications. As our customers will tell you, Verda not only supply the best solutions, they back them up with the highest levels of quality and service. Verda is accredited to the ISO 9001-2000 quality standard, and Verda pumps have been certified fully compliant in accordance with the world's most demanding standards. In closing, let's review some of the advantages of the VerdaFlex Peristaltic pump. Reliability. A simple and robust design for the most demanding of applications. A self-priming pump that can be run dry. Low maintenance and no special tools required. Unique hose design with extended service life. No troublesome bearing alignment problems. Adapters that enable you to select your preferred supplier of motor and gearbox. The industry approvals and accreditations that our customers expect. Problem-solving pumps capable of handling abrasive, viscous, corrosive and shear-sensitive product. And as a result, the VerdaFlex pump has low lifetime costs in comparison to other pumps. The VerdaFlex Peristaltic pump, another world-beating product from Verda, providing solutions in pumping technology.